Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up a blog quickly on Hostinger. So before you start, go ahead and log in with your Hostinger and then choose a plan. And if you want to buy the subscription or premium, please go through the link in the description box to buy up the plan. Okay, next what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and go to create your blog. So before starting, you need to check this simple list of things to decide on the structure. And would you like your blog to be the essence of your website or just one of its constituent parts? And you can create a simple single page website and display all your blog posts within that one page by using multiple website sections. And you may also have more pages on your site about projects, contact, etc., and then the topics and categories, and then eventually the title. And after you have the title, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and start creating and enabling blogging tools. So firstly, make sure that your blog model is enabled on your website within the website builder, of course. Expand the blog management panel on the left right here. You're gonna see it. Let me just go, not here. Let me go back, right? You're gonna see it right here. Click on blog right here in the website builder. And if you see any sample blog post, it means that your website template already includes a blog section or a blog page. If you don't see any sample blog post, click start a blog and then blog section with a couple of sample blog posts will be inserted into your page, and you can add multiple blog section to your website pages and display different blog posts by category in each of those sections, right? And you can see right here you can add a section, right? And then from the menu, just select the blog and click on its thumbnail, right, to use that blog. Okay, sorry for that. Let me go back. All right, then start creating a new blog post, right? A blog post right here, and then click the open the blog management right here again, and then click add new post. Okay, and then next, this will take you to the blog post editor. Okay. A blog post consists of two main parts. The header contains the title, description, author, publication date, and reading time of blog post. And you have the body that contains the main content of the article, text, images, videos, etc. And you can add various sections and elements to your blog post anytime. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.